In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Sendwave account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the right place in the app, contact support, verify your identity safely, and regain access. Start by opening the Sendwave app on your device. Give it a moment to load. Next, sign in so you can land on the home screen. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If you're having trouble signing in, don't worry, just keep watching because the help option we'll use is typically visible whether you're on the home screen or the sign-in page. Once you're on the home screen, look for the help icon. It's the small question mark symbol, usually found near the top or bottom of the screen depending on your device. Tap that icon to open the support options. Inside the help area, select Chat with Us. This opens a conversation with the Sendwave support team. If you're prompted to pick a topic, choose the one that best matches account recovery or access issues. In the chat, clearly explain what's going on. Mention that you're trying to recover your account and describe any messages you're seeing, such as being locked out, verification not working, or not receiving a code. Keep the explanation concise and factual so the agent can quickly understand and help. The support team will guide you through verification. Follow their instructions closely. They may ask you to confirm details associated with your account and recent activity to make sure they're speaking to the rightful owner. Have your device ready, keep the app open, and make sure you have a stable internet connection so you don't get disconnected mid-chat. If they share a one-time code or specific steps, enter them exactly as provided. If something doesn't work, let the agent know immediately so they can resend or adjust the instructions. Once your identity is verified, you'll receive a confirmation or a reset link or code. Use that right away to complete the recovery. This might involve setting a new security method or confirming access on your device. After you're back in, double check that everything looks correct in your account. As a quick best practice, keep your app updated, enable device security features like a screen lock or biometrics if available, and sign out on any devices you no longer use. These steps help prevent future lockouts and keep your account secure. That's it. Open the app, tap the question mark, start a chat, verify your identity, and apply the confirmation or reset provided. Follow along carefully, and you'll recover your Sendwave account smoothly.